Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete ride history on Rapido app. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to locate the Rapido application in your mobile, and then you just have to simply tap and hold on this application and simply tap on this app info. It will land you on a new page where you will see this option here, storage and cache. You have to tap on this and then you will see this option here, clear cache and clear storage. You just have to simply tap on this clear cache and then tap on this clear storage. It will say delete all data. Click on OK. It will delete all the data, includes files, settings, accounts, database and cache, which will be permanently deleted. So if you want to delete your ride history, just tap on OK and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to delete ride history in Rapido app. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.